Isn't it amazing how just within a few short weeks, the rug has been pulled out from under every aspect of our lives, and we're all doing our best to find our footing again? I've been amazed at all the creative ways that each of us are finding to get through this very strange and scary time. The underlying stress is constant as we stay on guard against this invisible threat to our health. Adding to that is all the new details we have to worry about, like doing our jobs in different ways and making sure we have enough supplies, protecting our finances, all while keeping our young ones educated and our most vulnerable protected. We all know that stress is linked to the most common diseases, as well as increasing the risk of getting a cold or the flu. The problem is then that worrying about our health is actually lowering our defenses. Yet with all the new complications to everyday life, we've had to find new ways to unwind. With all the strategies for lowering stress, there's one factor that's often missing. Stress is not just in our mind. It very quickly settles into our body. When you feel stressed, your body is preparing to move. We are hardwired this way. Nothing changes that. Even when you do things to calm or distract your mind, stress is still building up in your body, lowering your defenses. When moving is uncomfortable or finding time to exercise is challenging, the thought of exercise only adds to that stress. But we're still left with this fact that movement is what you need to minimize the effect of this outbreak on your health and well-being. In these stressful and complicated times, what if you had a super simple way to keep stress from building up in both your mind and your body? Well, 4 years ago, I created my first online course, and it provided just that. So I've updated it, and over the next month or so, I will be sharing it with you. I'll show you how to use recharge pauses, a very time-efficient, there when you need it, whole person way to calm stress before it builds up in your mind and your body. Best of all, you can do this even if your body or your time is limited. Let's get started right now. Notice where you're holding stress in your body. Where do you feel that tension or that restlessness? That is your body ready to move. Making the connection between this feeling and the need to move gives you a built-in reminder to do a recharge pause so stress does not build up. Try moving that area in some way with the mindset that you are trying to help your body. Notice what happens as you do. I will show you how to turn a wide variety of mindful movements into recharge pauses. This week, simply continue practicing making that connection between the tension that you feel and the need to move. And together, we can reduce the worry about your health and gain confidence that you can keep your defenses strong and your whole person well.